Praktisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpoh, kala long school hasor Nongpoh kabanpao ha ka result Hsslc, ha ka art stream hadin bo Starwell Ronghang ubadai na kasinong purdua ulayo ya ka kerdan 9 position ha ka top 10. Ka jingpas bha jong ni usamla kala penkemen hadu kata-kata ye ki khana school ye ki nohkai bat ye ki bor penya school ki balaya lumlang haplau school ban priang burom ya u tang hadin katukan ikenta baka embus kala penbana ya ka result.
First and foremost, I give thanks to Almighty God because without Him, I couldn't be here. I'm in front of you all because of His blessings since the beginning of my preparation, He had strengthened me physically, intellectually, and emotionally. And I give thanks to all my teachers because they taught everything that is required for the exam, and because of them I was able to achieve it greater. And I also thanks to all my family and relatives. They support me every moment I prepare for the exam, and they also provided me financially so that I can come to school to be an educated person. Thank you. Since the beginning of the preparation, since the beginning of the year, uh, to be honest, I used to study only 2 to 4 hours daily, and I used to do a household task. And since December, just before 3 months of my exam, I used to study 10 to 12 hours daily. No, I don't have any hobbies in my life except dancing and singing. That's it. Now I have three courses that I'm interested in. That is political science and sociology and Bachelor of Law. But this decision will be taken within 2 to 3 weeks. And after my bachelor, I will be simultaneously I will be preparing for UPSC civil service examination and also state PSC. It's a sad moment that I'm living without my mom. She had passed away just 1 month before my SSLC examination in the year 2024. Due to a kidney failure, she had been hospitalized for more than a year in the Crims Hospital. And in that year, of her last year actually, just before 2 weeks of her last breath, she told me and she inspired me to study well, to prepare well, and to pass well in the examination, to be a good person in my future. And her last word will always keep motivating me during my preparation, even though I face a lot of problems, but I used to remember her words that she told me to study well and to pass well in the examination. And also I'm very grateful to my sister Regina, who always motivate me, came to my table in my house, that she always motivate me to become a commission officer and to study well in the examination, to pass well in the examination. But just after one day after my examination, she passed away due to a tragic road accident. It's a sad moment for all of us, especially for the family and for the state as well. She is not just a bright athlete, but also a good student, that she wants to be a good leader in the future, to become a commission officer, to serve the nation and the state with her dedication and humility. But due to this accident, she was not able to achieve that. If we really want to achieve it, we can achieve it. But it needs our self consistency, determination, and self. Uh, we should believe in ourselves that we are capable of achieving it greater. Without our sacrifices and self determination, we will not be able to achieve it.
Lived with my students for the past 6 years, but I found amongst the teachers and students and within myself, I introspect myself how I should make my students pass well. And not only through my hard work, but first and foremost, the hard work of my teachers I could see. And just recently, we have installed smart board, and they really work hard to prepare the lesson plan. Even I could see the way that they were so passionate to teach my students. And after installing the smart board and smart class, I could see a bit of change in terms of learning and even in terms of teaching. And it's a proud moment once again. Last year we got second among top 10 and the second rank, and this year we also get again in the top list for the ninth position. And it's a proud moment for the school as well, and I take privilege to thank God for blessing these many students. 175 students to send to write the board exam is not an easy job for the teachers and for the school management. But I take this privilege to thank the Almighty God for bringing this many students to be cared, to be nurtured, to be educated. And this year, again, I'm really proud and thank God, especially for Starwell, who is really a star to the school. Through his achievement, something it is within my soul, it is telling that children coming from poor section also can achieve. Just recently, he lost his own mother with a single parent. How he worked hard, and I could see his enthusiasm, his passion, his readiness to achieve greater heights. To the greater heights is really immense. So I could see that not only his effort, but effort between teacher and students and we school management. We really work hard, and it is a proud moment to say that Starwell has done it, and we are proud of you, Starwell. Hope your future life, your dreams will be that of bringing continuous blessings to yourself and to your family. And I could also congratulate you for the success that you brought to the school. And through the constant effort, the passion, the hard work, dedication, and believing in oneself that we can achieve, as you have already said, that you believe in yourself that I can do. So you start working. So I'm sure that together with my teachers and students, we are aspiring to bring good result to the school as well. Thanks. It's a proud moment to St. Paul's School once again, and we are getting in the top list for the second consecutive round this year. And art stream, we have sent 175 students, and 173 altogether passed. Only two couldn't succeed. One due to his job, he couldn't complete his exams, and only one failed. And 24 students appeared in science stream, and it is a satisfactory, although few of them failed, couldn't succeed. But overall, I could see that this year we have achieved a great thing. So means to say that this year failure has gone down. Only failed. So it's a really great achievement to the school, and I'm proud of my school, St. Paul's.
Kabaning kong ngi penpau ka jing songo yo blay na kabenta ka jing ka result ka babha jong ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School mentau snem ro ga rajar apun rio kabaning kabaar pa de ngi penpau ka jing songo isya I Starwell I meido I pa jing Starwell ki bahiyeng bahasem ki ba joddan rengkat man ka por bat I man ai man sim I ban pendap pen biang e barok hai kiliang kan liat na kaliang ki no hikai I Starwell ide khna I batreshtam Mday magi syuang tang namar ba ilapas menta henry ide ikna ibatri shom nadu kapor ka ba nadu ki kelas ki badet ilawan join hang ne po St. Paul tang yo I bha kum no ilong tigi don ki snem ki ba I have an improve la ne I have ban 3 minute shusho ma ba in kamla tabaka way ki bang itanat kum kino hikai da kan ka platform jong phiru ki kwa ban panyo soi ki khana jong I ba bonsen ki khana ha ba kilong ki ba smoret kilong ki ba kloy ban penbet yala jong kilong ki bakloy ban ya lang bat kino hikay bat ka school kawan rate ka jing job kini I Starwell ro ilong kumta haba idon kino ka jing ka jing stom lane ki jing bam so tho ki subject bangi hikay iju kloy ban wan kali iju kloy ban pan jing arab kata ka bangi so tenat ka ngi hikay ki school ya kini ki khna jongi ki don kumba ars pa ngodi si class kamde ka basuk ngi kino hikay ro bangin ai ka bangi on ka special attention lane ngin ai ban pet kmi bnya bhaya baro iway pa iway henringi ai lot baro ka met ka men sem ngi the lot baro khat kat ka bangi la ban ai kini ki khna henri ka shong ro ha ki khna pade bakin wan chakmat bakin pan jing arab habaki smodon kam te nga ai kublei ro ya baro khai ki para class jong Starwell mentau senam ka result kala bha shisha kidon ki khna ki padu na bha yo le se ki bon ki bam tep ma shapang ka St. Paul's ki ju ong ba ka result kum le kum tai henre ngin ong e phik ni ju pha shi bon bha ki khna hadu shi spa khandai po shi spa nyau po na ka arspa bat ki bon ki khna ki padu na bha haka por selection ni ju ban perkhat arsin nai sen bat ne nai bon ki wan ka longyeng ka baduk don ki ba ang em ngin persang mes ngin tre shitom ni khot ye ki kmek pa ngi long parents meeting ni pelong bayang ka exam kum ne kata ka de ka jing tre shitom na kaliang ka school jongi kinoi kai bangi le ban yarap ye ki bat ho don ki bala yo nong shishana kata and don pat ki ba kim kwa ban yarap ye la die te henry kimla ban poi shakmat mo henry yakane ka sinem ka bamenta hi tengi da so hon shai ka result number idon ki khna ki batrot shisha henry ki la 3 shitom bat ki la 1 first but second yim don third henry ki first but ki second te result ka de khandai popra point pra 100% jong ka arts bat ngi kit bok kit rang ki khna barok hoi bakin nang kiu shaprang ha ka jing kulia ka de badon kam ha ka jing im jong ki nang ta ngi kit bok kit rang ro Starwell nang de shakmat kane ka de tang ka jing sedang nang yai beteng ban Starwell Starwell ngi kit bok ye phi kata tanggata bleshi buat
ang ni kusak achku ang ni achuk ongani ko mesoka
ang habagak tin ka im kajai benriu ka im
kaladon kata kami khalia language na do usnem arajasan kuman penjishano kan Ba men hakani ka country tari jong ubana ya yong ka bamut na tau April ar haja April na ka jing pen bana officially ba la shim ya ka ktien kasi ka jongi bat kom juru kita ki garo bat ka ktien garo bu la shim ya ka kom kata ka official language
ngas ngungu mas burung ya ka ne kasi atau society bat ru kumju ya ka achik literary society kiba submit ya ka memorandum sha the government department linga court meeting mana haka bengyong di study na du ka law department na du ka arts culture na ki department kiba per ngia discuss na ong tongin talk ngin recommend sa cabinet ba ngin repeal no ya ka tuga ak barin bat ngin warna no da ka ni ka way ka bat mana da ka bengyong Meghalaya Languages Act Mdeshu Meghalaya Language Act.
This will ensure administrative inclusivity and language preservation. It will also ensure that communication is more efficient in government offices and other institutions.
Kan direktur obat kecil sini mana boleh mungkin yang beliau aku interview aku baca kecil mana dia mungkin cara beliau nak cakap dengan
nilai kuat syaba ka ktien jungi kan yo no ka jing itu bokpura bar kham tam kan rong ka khanet khupra nri ka long bade umau jam ubaning kong menta ban chuong no ba chief minister jungi ula kubur ban ong ban ka ktien khasi bar ka ktien garo kan long no kata ka ktien bokpura jong jela